painful quad focused leg day right after Thanksgiving, so I did almost throw up, but that's okay. Let's do it. We always start our leg days off with hip abductors. This is gonna grow that inner thigh meat, so when you're walking, your thighs gonna rub together like you got a BBL. Next, we hit some standing calf raises. You're always gonna wanna hit it at the beginning of your workout to warm up those ankles, and Lord knows you ain't gonna hit it at the end of your workout. Then we move over to some leg extensions to warm up the knees and work the quads in the shortened position. You see, at this point, I'm reevaluating if Thanksgiving was even worth it, because that throw up was sitting in my throat at this point. I chose pendulum squats for my compound movement. If your gym doesn't have this machine, use hack squats, Smith machine squats, or plain old barbell squats if that feels good for you. If you're not looking like this after your set, you're not getting painful enough to grow them legs. Right here, you see I'm still burnt the fuck out, but the job ain't finished yet. So we hit some seated hamstring curls, go really heavy on this as it's our only hamstring movement on this quad focused leg day. And we finish off with some machine leg presses with a narrow foot position to make sure we completely fry the quads. And that's gonna be a
can't lock up the darkness. What did you just say? You can't lock up the darkness.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
How to build an aesthetic body. Film compound movement.
Attempting Alex Eubank's crazy shoulder workout. Let me know in the comments if you think this guy is juiced up or natty. I did not know what to expect from this workout, so I got some pre down my system to get me cracked out. Small man starts on dumbbell shoulder press. Now you guys will probably be surprised when I say I've never ever done dumbbell shoulder press in my life. So to be quite honest, when I got the 30s up, I was very surprised. He does 5 sets of these for 8 reps, which is more volume than I'm used to, so my shoulders were already on fire. He then moves on to another compound exercise, which is the Smith machine overhead press. Now look at the facials when I'm doing these. I pushed this last rep so hard that I had a turtle head coming out my bum. By this point, the pump was insane. He then moves on to seated lateral raises. And I can assure you, I've got the whammest cameraman. Now he finishes on upright rows. Now I couldn't tell if I was training my shoulder joint or my actual muscle. You can tell I was uncomfortable by the look on my face. This had me in pain, and I don't know if it was good pain or bad pain. Overall, this workout gets a 6 out of 10, even though I still got a massive pump. Save this video and give it a try.